Stoichiometry, chapter number 15, multiple choice question. Choose and take the correct answer from the given choices. First, volume occupied by 15 moles of ammonia gas at RTP. First, we find the 15 multiplied by 24 is equal to 360 dm cubic meter. 24 से प्रोडक्ट करते हैं जब when RTP given how many कंसिडर किया जाता है. This is the molar mass of the magnesium. How many moles of natural gas CH4 methane will be present in the cylinder if its volume is 18 dm cubic meter at RTP? That is, we will divide 18 dm upon the 24 dm, that is 0.75 moles. What will the molar concentration of potassium hydroxide solution if 2 gram of it are dissolved in 100 cubic centimeter of solution? That is, molar mass को divide करेंगे 2g, first 2g of the molar mass of solution KOH. K is 39.1 g mole and O is 1601 AMU g per mole, and hydrogen is equal to 1.008 g per mole. And the molar mass is 56.18 upon the moles. Divide करेंगे 2g को upon the 56.18, that is 0.6 is the correct option. First A is the correct option, 0.6 mole per dm. What will be the mass of the NaCl needed to make up 15 decimeter cubic meter of its solution with concentration of 0.7 g per decimeter per deci cubic meter, that is 10.5. Yeah, here 2.75 is product with 24 से हम इसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 10.5 15 इंटू 15 कंसनट्रेशन फार्मूला यूज़ करेंगे, मास फाइंड करेंगे 15 dm cubic meter into 0.7 g, that is mass is equal to concentration into volume. Volume हमें given है 15 NaCl needed to make a 15 dm cubic solution of its solution with a concentration of 0.7, concentration 0.7 gram and volume is 15 dm. So mean product करेंगे, mass we have ready for 10.5 gram. For this process, find out the concentration of sulfuric acid H2SO4 is in mole per deci cubic meter if it's 10 centimeter reacted with 20 cubic centimeter of sodium hydroxide solution having concentration 0.1 mole dm. First part, H हम यहाँ पे हमें गिवन है H2SO4 and 2NaHO. This concentration को हम to Na2SO4 plus 2H2O Ma into V. Mass of first solution H2SO4 and Na, second is Mb into Vb, Na upon Na and the Nb. अब डिवाइड करेंगे, गिवन है ऑल थिंग्स, हमने यहाँ सिर्फ Ma फर्स्ट फाइंड कर रहे हैं. How many? Find out the concentration of sulfuric acid. Then we will cross multiplication of left side and the formula is Ma is equal to Ma into Vb into Na upon the Va into Nb. 0.1 गिवन है। सॉल्यूशन हमें v 10 सेंटीमीटर, n is 1, how many mb is equal to 0.1 mole per deci cubic decimeter, vb is volume is equal to 20 सेंटीमीटर, फॉर्मूला n is equal to 2। तो हम इसमें फार्मूला में पुट करेंगे और वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेंगे। दैट इज़ कैलकुलेटेड 0.1 मोल पर cubic decimeter. If the molar mass of a compound is 178 gram per mole and it empirically formula is C3H5O3, then its molar mass. Empirical formula इज मोलर AMU पे डिवाइड करेंगे। फर्स्ट मोलर मास फाइंड करेंगे। मोलर मास को हमने गिवन कंपाउंड मास जो होगी 178 ग्राम पे डिवाइड कर देना है। दैट इज़ इक्वल टू 2 से हमने इस गिवन फार्मूले को C3H5O3 को प्रोडक्ट करेंगे। दैट इज़ द आंसर C6H10 and C6। When the natural gas burns in air, which compound is the limiting reactant? A. Both compound. B. Neither component. Both component. Neither component is a limiting reactant. Air. Or D. Natural gas. D is the correct option. If the actual yield of the compound is 0.198 gram, while the theoretical field is 0.2117 g, what will be the percentage yield? Question और ऑप्शन नंबर 8 है MCQs। हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे ये एक्चुअल yield upon the theoretical yield। That is given 0.19 हमें ऑलरेडी गिवन है ग्राम एंड 0.27 इंटू 100%, दैट इज़ 91.2%। 91.2% इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फार्मूला गिवन है उसमें फिट करेंगे वैल्यू और फाइंड कर लेंगे। दैट इज़ द MCQ ऑफ स्टोइकोमेट्री।